Prime Minister Modi has called upon NDA MPs to take central government welfare schemes to common people. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has said 28% GST on casinos and online gaming will be levied on the face value from October 1st this year. Haryana CM Manohar Lal has said that those indulging in violence will have to pay for damages to both government and private property. Bharat Dynamics Limited BDL has handed over the first radio frequency seeker of Akash produced at its newly commissioned state-of-the-art Seeker Facility Centre SFC to the Defence Research and Development Organisation. India will take on West Indies in first T20 international cricket of 5-match series in Trinidad and Tobago.